Google is teasing new assistant celebrity voice. Do you want a celebrity to be your Google Assistant voice?
Depends who.
You might consider.
Yeah.
Isn't it too important when you're there? Navigate to. Are you ready for Are you trusting a celebrity?
I guess it would have to be subtle.
Who's your celebrity assistant voice that you would go with? Who do you want to give you directions?
I don't know.
Who do you? I know. Just what kind of is it? Is there an accent involved?
Yeah, kind of like a Jarvis from Iron Man.
Okay.
Like a British accent.
Okay. That's not really a celebrity, is it, though?
Like, oh, gosh.
Jack's got one. I know he's got one on deck. Jack wants Nicole Kidman. That's his celebrity choice for assistant.
Alfred from Batman.
Oh, what's the actor's name? You got to say the actor's name. Caine. Michael Caine.
Michael Caine, yes.
Michael Caine.
He's very distinct.
What about David Attenborough?
Yes, I was just thinking that too.
No, I'm the one that said that.
He might actually be a good option.
Yeah, or Morgan Freeman. Anyway, these are the ones that always get talked about. There's some of those voices that are out there that are iconic voices. So Google, there's a video that leaked. Google was promoting a video on Instagram, and it leaked with their new assistant voice. They had played around with John Legend. Around. They identified him as cameo voice, I believe, at one of their events. I don't know if you recall that. It was a while back now. I think it was it was at Google I.O. Anyhow, people are speculating who this new voice is. So go ahead and play it, and let's see if it rings a bell to any of us. And we can figure out who that is.
Now I just sound extra fly.
All right, that's your new celebrity assistant. You want to play it one more time, Will?
They'll call me your Google. Now I just sound extra fly.
Yeah, that's what people are saying. Now, I apologize. I'm not familiar with Tiffany Haddish. She's an actress. I assume she's an actress. A comedian and actress? Okay. So people are speculating it's Tiffany Haddish. There's some other, according to 9 to 5 Google, there's some other speculation. It could be
Issa Rae.
So there's some guesses that are out there. This comes on the back of a sort of potential bidding war for celebrity voices. This one flew under the radar for me, but last month, Amazon added a paid Samuel Jackson voice for Alexa and Echo.
Oh.
Did you know that?
No.
How would you feel about Sam Jackson?
He's like yelling at me?
Yeah, he's yelling at you.
Swearing?
It might be just what you need in your life. Get moving.
Yeah.
You're late for your appointment, Sam Jackson.
Yeah.
So, I think Tarantino is the only one that gets to call him Sam Jackson, by the way.
Oh, really?
I don't think I'm allowed. I think I have to call him Samuel. I got to call him Samuel L. Jackson.
It's the full.
But Tarantino gets to call him Sam Jackson. Yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments. Google is apparently committed to it. So you guys let me know in the comments who your celebrity assistant voice would be. I'm curious to check that out. According to Sundar Pichai, celebrity voices have been a top request for assistant, and it fits into the company's goal to get accents, languages, and dialects right globally. So they're committed to it. It's going to happen. You're going to see more options emerging, and you're going to have your very own pick. Jack's got Nicole Kidman on deck. Willie Doo has Michael Caine. Who knows who it's going to be? It's going to be exciting nonetheless.